Hi, my name is Chimene Van Gundy, best-selling author and mobile home millionaire. Welcome to Mobile Home Millions. I hope you're ready to change your life and become the next cash creator. In this video, I'm going to talk about how a modular home is assembled. Today in this video, we're going to talk about how a modular home is assembled, and you're going to be surprised by the answer that you're going to get today. A factory-built home starts out in sections that have been pre-built in climate-controlled areas. The finished sections are transported to the building site and then assembled with cranes. The process resembles a child building with Lego blocks. Modular homes cannot be moved after they've been placed and set on their foundations. If you're designing your own home, it is important to ask specific questions, as each manufacturer actually operates under a different set of guidelines. Modular homes offer hundreds of personalized features that include and are not limited to ceramic floors, solid surface countertops, various cabinet styles and wood specifications, exterior finishes, plumbing fixtures, etc. You name it, they have it all. You can essentially customize your entire home for yourself and really create the home of your dreams. Not only that, you're ensured that your modular home is safe, as all are built to withstand at least 175 mile-per-hour winds. And you get actually the pleasure of having the cost be cheaper than that of a site-built home. Thank you for listening. If you find value in this and you would like more information about mobile homes, I would like to invite you to join my free webinar about how to buy and sell mobile homes and the 3 secrets top real estate investors use to grow profits, whether in a booming or slow economy. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.